Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. Excited to walk you guys through a brand new trade that we just got in. This is a 2018 MasterCraft NXT20. This boat is powered by an Ilmore 5000 MPI. Starting back here on the transom of the boat, this boat is equipped with plug-and-play ballast. So in addition to your factory hard tanks, you will have these fat sacks in the back, giving you that really nice surf wave. And then back here, this will give you access to your engine compartment right here. This boat has 369 hours currently. It's great condition. Again, like I said, 2018. And we've got this boat listed for $59,997. So this is a great starter boat to get you and the family out on the water, whether you're wanting to ski, wakeboard, tube, or even surf. This is a great boat. It's a great crossover boat, so it's going to do all of those water sport things very, very well. You will notice you will have your water sports tower here with Klipsch audio system. This boat does have tower speakers as well as a subwoofer. Plenty of storage throughout the entire cockpit here. Really nice helm station with your head unit here, as well as all of your ballast and surf controls. And then moving up into the bow of this NXT20, with the pickle fork design of the NXT MasterCraft, you have a really spacious bow seating area up here. The beam of the boat really carries all the way up into the bow of the boat, so you just get a lot more seating up here. So guys, there's a ton more to check out on this boat, tons of custom features. If you'd like to learn more, visit us at MarineMax.com, give us a call, or if you'd like to schedule a private showing, visit us here at MarineMax Lake Lanier in Baldbridge Marina.